Next, you are going to find the complete measurement results from the bioenergetic rhythm analysis neatly arranged on the Health menu page. From this main page, you can review the most important results, but also start program suggestions generated for you in order to save time. Scroll up first and open the full calendar. Here you find the days on which you have performed BRA measurements marked with a red circle. All other calendar days are circled in gray. Tap to the individual days to see the details of the measurements. After you have selected a day, scroll down to see the results in detail. By the way, the complete HEALY Watch app has built-in help menu windows which you can recognize by the small gray eye. So, if you want more information about a value, use the explanations behind it, for example, by clicking on the eye here. If you click on the HEALY Connect area, the HEALY Connector module opens. Here you will find the 6 vital parameters, which are the result of the evaluation of your last BRA measurement, your heart rate and your sleep behavior. The optimal balance of these parameters is in the middle range between the boundaries. You will find all abnormal values either to the left or right deviating from the central area. The top 3 parameters represent your physical resilience and balance. Here we have the evaluation of your heart rate, your bioenergetic pulse analysis, and your physical stress level. By the way, these are the same parameters as on the main page here. You will see the same heart rate displayed in BPM, beats per minute, and a daily chart as a progression of your heart rate with the highest and lowest points marked. The normal heart rate is between 60 and 100 BPM. If you scroll down here again, you will also see the value of your BPA. Please note that the high value is desirable here, whereas a low value is desirable for the physical stress parameter here. Just use the help function again to get a detailed description of these 2 values. The lower 3 parameters stand for emotional aspects. Pressure stands for internal and external pressure. Tension is the tension in the body, and rigidity means stiffness in the body. The most important part of your HEALY Watch app is the 7-day plan for frequency program suggestions for your HEALY app. It is therefore advisable to take 1 BRA measurement per week. If there are significant changes taking place in your body caused by using the HEALY frequency programs, you can always get a new BRA measurement. Please note, however, that with each new measurement, a new 7-day plan is created based on the last measurement results. On the main page, you will now see the frequency program suggestions for the current day of your weekly plan, which you can start directly with the HEALY app by going to the selected program. Your HEALY Watch app will close automatically and your HEALY app will open with the desired program. Please make sure that your HEALY is switched on before you start the HEALY app so that you can immediately transfer the program. If you own the digital nutrition app as well, you will also receive the corresponding program suggestions here. We have created a total of 12 special HEALY Watch programs and 12 HEALY Watch digital nutrition programs in your HEALY app for optimal balancing of your 6 vital parameters. If you go to HEALY Connect again, you will find a list of all the program suggestions from your weekly schedule for you to review. But first, choose the version of your Healy here so that you can see all programs available to you. From here, you can also start the programs. If you go to Schedule, you will see your complete weekly schedule with the current day in a bold font. The programs are arranged in such a way that they have the best effect for you. Please note that you will only get those program suggestions that are available for your specified Healy edition. From here, you can also immediately start your Healy program for the current day. Finally, I would like to familiarize you with the 12 Meridian Watch programs. Your HEALY Watch app has an organ clock showing you which of your organs is active at the current time of day. We use the Chinese meridian model from traditional Chinese medicine, TCM, whereas the meridian programs included in the Healy Holistic Health Plus edition are based on the meridian model according to Fall. In order to access this part of the application, please tap on Meridian. As you can see, a different organ is active every 2 hours. To support and energetically balance the currently active organ, go here to the corresponding name to start the associated frequency program in your Healy app. You can also start the current organ program here from the main page. In total, there are 36 frequency programs in your Healy app that your HEALY Watch app can access. The number available to you varies depending on your subscription. If you own the connector module, you get the 12 HEALY Watch programs to balance your 6 vital parameters and the 12 Meridian Watch programs. If you also have the digital nutrition module, you will also get 12 HEALY Watch digital nutrition programs, which are specially designed to support the 6 vital parameters as well.